way it tenderizes skirt steak is incredible.
It's go time.
Two grilling masters.
Oh, that's really good. It's really tender.
Very buttery. And I kind of was hoping for a little bit of a heat. I don't know why, it just looked like maybe I would find that in there.
The green, whether it be parsley or, I think it's parsley, I hope it's parsley, otherwise I'll look like a fool. It's actually a little overpowering, which is interesting.
It's like a little bit too like parsley, a little overpowering. It's pretty good. Definitely too rare for my taste, but the sauce is pretty good. Definitely fresh.
Oh, this is different.
It has so much more flavor than the first one.
Wow.
Spicy, but not too spicy. It's good. It's a little tangy.
It does have a little bit of a kick to it. There's a little bit of a spiciness that I like.
I love whatever like tapenade thing. I don't even think that's the right word. This spicy stuff is very fragrant. I recognize it. Oh, is it just a ton of garlic? Oh my gosh, I'm sorry.
Hands down, this second one, which I guess I was in the mood for the heat.
I chose Gordon Ramsay.
Gordon Ramsay, I choose you.
Gordon, I love you.
Gordon Ramsay, yeah, did it, man.
That is my insight to the chef's secret to why the skirt steak is the chef's #1 dream cut.
You guys do not know what you're talking about. You're wrong.